Boom, lamb shanks, everybody. That's what we're doing today. All we're using is our Knotty Rub. These lamb shanks are actually from one of our own raised lambs here at Knotty Farms. And today we're just gonna lather it up in some Knotty Rub, put a little extra virgin olive oil on it, and then we'll throw that sucker on the pellet grill. All right, first things first, we're obviously gonna take our Cobra olive oil and we're gonna put it on first as a binder for our Knotty Rub, as always. So you're just gonna take some olive oil, kind of lather it up on each side of the lamb shank, and then you're just gonna rub it over and get that nice oily feel on your meat. Okay, now we're just gonna take our Knotty Rub and liberally put this on here. Just gonna spread that out. And then flip it over, take some of our excess here, just put it on a little bit. Might need a little more. So we got our pellet smoker set to 205. This is one of those set and forget type things. So we got the olive oil binding that Knotty Rub on. This is a super easy cook. We're setting it right now on the grill to get a crust and a smoke flavor. And then the tin foil, once we wrap it halfway through, that tin foil will help finish off the cook. So let's go get these things on the grill right now. Ooh, nice and warm in our grill, so let's put these things on. All right, we'll come back when we put the tin foil on. Okay, it's been 2 hours. We got a nice crust on our shanks, so we're gonna take them off and put them in here, and then we're gonna wrap them up in the foil. So let's do this. These look actually really good. Okay, so now we're gonna take our lamb shanks and we're gonna put them in the tin foil. We got a bit of onion on there, and we're gonna put them in onion and put some beef broth in there so that way it can get soaked up by the meat. Okay, so now we're gonna take a little boat. We're gonna kind of cover it up to the bone part of the shank. And that way we can just pour that broth in right on top without it leaking out over the sides. Put them in our tin tray. And we're gonna pour that broth in on them. Ooh, yeah, look at that. All right, now we're gonna cover the foil over the rest of the lamb. Kind of cover it up to the bone right there. Otherwise your beef broth will fully evaporate when you put it on the grill again. Now we're gonna go back on the grill and we're gonna bump the temperature up to 300 for the rest of the cook. All right, now that our temp's up to 300, we're just gonna wait a couple hours and then we'll come back and finish off this cook. All right, it's been a couple hours. Stephanie almost got eaten by a snake, and it's hot out here. We're gonna pull these things off and see how they look. Let's do it. See the crust from the Knotty Rub mixed with the olive oil, and it's really melted into the meat. So we're gonna put that in there and then see what it looks like out on the table. All right, so we got our lamb shanks. They're off the grill, and we're gonna pull them off and plate them and see what they look like. They're definitely ready to eat, if I say so myself. That's pretty good. Oh yeah. If you want more of our awesome recipes, look in the description below or follow us on YouTube or Instagram, or find the link and go to our website, and we have all of these amazing recipes for you to try. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, like, do whatever you feel like you need to, or don't, whatever. And yeah. Happy grilling, folks. It's been a good one.